love to clean your kitchen on a regular basis, this video is for you. So guys, I love to clean my kitchen. I love a clean kitchen. I only use two major products when I'm cleaning my stove or I'm cleaning my kitchen surfaces. I love to use Rama Bright, which is for my stove, and it does a good job. I also love the all-purpose cleaner. It freshens your kitchen, and it also takes care of all the residue that is left on your counters, your cupboards, all the grease, everything. I love to use this. Let's start cleaning the top of the stove with Cerama Bright Stovetop Cleaner. After finished cleaning, wipe your stove top with a soft cloth. Wipe also the outside of your microwave and inside as well. I use my oven at least twice a week. Therefore, cleaning my oven is a must. I make sure I use my soft cloth to wipe my oven inside and out. If you cook as often as I do, your towels need to be wiped properly from all the splash oil. After finish cleaning my oven top, I love to use Windex for extra shine. And the secret for extra shine is to use paper towel. I also use Windex with a paper towel on the outside of my microwave as well as the inside. I make sure I wipe all my cupboard doors from all the oil splashing. I also wipe my cupboard tops. Once I'm done wiping my cupboard tops, I make sure it's time to wipe my refrigerator. I wipe the outside and below and also the handles of my refrigerator. When I'm done wiping the outside of my refrigerator, it's time to take everything out of my freezer, discard, and wipe my freezer properly. I also wipe inside of my fridge. I discard everything there and throw them away. Your fridge needs to be wiped at least twice a week. Clean your sink at least 3 times a week. When it comes to my sink, I like to use soft scrub. Soft scrub gets rid of the grease as well as the residues that's built up underneath my sink. Finally, I need to vacuum and wipe my floors. This is what my kitchen looks like after a long cleaning. It's clean, it's fresh, and it's me. I love burning a scented candle while I'm cleaning. It relaxes me and also it soothes my environment. I am done cleaning my kitchen and I'm feeling the holiday spirit. If you're not a subscriber to this channel, go ahead, subscribe, leave your comments down below, and share this channel with your friends and families. Thank you for watching and happy holiday.